Welcome to 1165 Nob Hill Avenue in my hometown, Pinole, California. If you've been searching for a move-in ready sanctuary in the East Bay's best kept secret, this is the one. This home isn't just updated, it's been thoughtfully reimagined. Inside is all about modern comfort. This tastefully designed home features a bright, open layout with upgraded windows that even catch glimpses of the San Pablo Bay. Beautiful new engineered wood flooring adds warmth and a clean, modern feel throughout. Relax in front of the fireplace while listening to your favorite playlist through built-in ceiling speakers with seamless flow to a secluded patio, perfect for entertaining or unwinding. For outdoor lovers, the terrace backyard offers a private retreat featuring an upper terrace with mature lemon and orange trees and space for your dream garden. And I saved the best for last. The custom eat-in kitchen is a showstopper. 6-burner gas range, custom wood hood, and even your own coffee and beverage station. With smart tech and energy-efficient solar, this home is truly turnkey. Don't let this hidden gem slip away. If you're ready to see this stunning 3-bedroom, 2-bath in person, contact me for a private showing. I'm Mike Peterson. Let's get you home.